Hi everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Iphone Bloke, where we help quality people to pick quality products. So these days, as you all are aware, I am making a video on iOS 14.4 beta version, which will be stabilized, and the same version you're going to see in upcoming iPhone 12, which if I go with my inputs, it's going to get launched in October. Yes, not in September. This is a breaking news for all of you in case if you're not aware, because Apple has delayed the entire stuff because of corona pandemic. So in this video, which is video number 3, PIP. Now for that function to be activated, what we need to do is we need to do a video in Apple TV, and for that I have to go and first launch Apple TV, which I've just launched. If you see my screen, the same video can be let's say played in two different modes. For example, if I'm playing a video which is this,
International de tennis, l'italien,
and now I want the
grand
same
ami de la France
video
qui est
to be
souvent
played
présent sur
in
les
a
matchs
mini
de Coupe
version.
Davis
So for
de
that,
l'équipe
what
de
I have to do
France.
is I have to go on top of the screen and I see three different options. First is the volume, which I do not have to touch it. Leave that. Second is to this one, which maximize the screen, and third option with an arrow is PIP.
Allez, ça va trop vite,
So
c'est
once I click
puissant.
on PIP, what it does,
Il a pas
it
abandonné.
will use the same video in a mini version, which goes to the top of the screen, and in that same screen, as well, you can work, do whatever multitasking you want, because it gives you that wonderful facility to do a lot of stuff on a particular page. You won't have to close your video and go to a next page to access any other information. So I'll do it again for you. So let's say, for example, I've closed the video, I've switched on another video, which is this. Now this video I want to see in PIP. So what I have to do is I have to go and click on PIP, which is this option. So that is how you use PIP, which is extremely helpful for viewing a particular video which you do not want to stop, and at the same time you want to do the same stuff on a particular page you are right now. So that's it about PIP, which I'm sure is going to give you a lot of pleasure in case if you do a lot of multitasking. And yep, that's it. So in case if you like the information, give me a thumbs up, comment, and if at all you feel that these are informative information with context to your iPhone user enhancement, then I would truly appreciate if you give me a subscribe. And till the next time we meet again, I want to say, do take care, very good care of yourself, and thanks for watching.